Welcome back to the Tesla DIY channel, guys. Today I'm going to review and install the rotating screen bracket from Anysix. This one has one mount which is made out of metal. This is the rotating part which moves your screen up and down and right and left. So this mount is going to replace the existing fixed mount. Very sturdy metal. I think this is nice. And then they have few couple of plastic brackets which is going to replace the existing bracket so that it looks a little bit of finished look. It came with some prying tools, zip ties, some wrenches, Allen wrenches, and let's get started and see how the final product looks. So this is the bag which has the tools which you will require. So the first step that we will need to do is open up this bottom cover. You can use this prying tool to pry out this cover at the bottom. This comes out pretty easy. Then the next step would be using the Allen wrench, which came along with the same set. You need to open the screen. This is the bigger Allen wrench which you will need to use, and there are two bolts. One is visible, this one, and there's a similar bolt over here. So you can use the Allen wrench which comes with the kit to open up this bolt and that over there which is visible. I'm not going to use this one. It's your choice. I mean, a little bit more used to my own tools, so I'm going to use my own bit. This is a little bit hard, but it's not that difficult to take off. So take the screen out. I'll try to show as much as possible. If you see that's the orange clip over here, this is what you want to pull out. Just be careful, don't which is out as well. The temperature sensor is out. So we want to remove this bracket which is mounted behind the screen. So it has three places, which is one over here, one over here, and the other one which probably you need to use some kind of a prying tool to get it out, and that's the most trickiest part. So this was the tricky part. Like this tab, you need to go below the tab, try to lift the tab up, because it has some kind of design which locks in place. So this is a bracket which came along. This is the plastic piece which is going to cover the screen like this. The second plastic piece will go on the top over here, and before that we will do the mount. So the screen is was earlier hooked on these slots, so now we are trying to extend it out. So this one will extend out the screen, and this would be your swivel mount. So after the install, that's how the screen looks. Passenger side can turn the screen on the other side, browse some channels, do something. And for the driver side, I think there's a lot of adjustment that you can do. It does touch on this side once you go full way, but in any case, I don't think so. I will be turning it that much, but it gives you that kind of flexibility. Yeah. So this makes a little bit of adjustment, helps to navigate so easy. Like it was not that easily accessible. All the options were not that easy. So I think this will definitely put in the way that it's much easier to access and navigate. Link to buy this would be in the description box below. Thanks for watching the channel.